In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a YouTube thumbnail using Clipchamp in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned video creator or just getting started, creating an eye-catching thumbnail is crucial for attracting viewers. So let's dive in and make that thumb-stopping image. First, begin by opening your preferred web browser and head over to clipchamp.com. Once on the website, if you haven't already signed up, it's time to do that. But if you have an existing account, simply proceed to sign in. You'll notice different sign-in options. For today's demonstration, we'll use the Continue with Microsoft option. This will prompt you to select your Microsoft account, pick the one you want to use, and you'll be ready to start creating. You'll now find yourself on the Clipchamp homepage. From there, navigate to the option that says Create a New Video. This may sound video focused, but the tools we'll use are perfect for designing static visuals too. Once you're in the editor, the first thing we need to do is import any media you want to use in your thumbnail. Maybe it's a photograph or a still shot from your video. To import, click on Import Media, and then simply drag and drop your selected file to the timeline below. Now that your media is on the timeline, it's time to get creative and edit your thumbnail image. Clipchamp offers various editing tools, so feel free to adjust elements such as the brightness, contrast, or saturation to make your image pop. Next, it's time to add some text. Look for the text option on the menu and select a text style that suits your image and brand. Once you've made your selection, drag and drop the text onto your timeline. After adding text, go ahead and click on it to start editing the content. You can type in your custom message or title, make sure it's clear and concise for your audience. Adjust the font, size, color, and position to fit your design perfectly. You can also add effects like shadows or outlines to your text, or even adjust colors to make your thumbnail more vibrant. This is the time to let your creativity shine. Don't hesitate to experiment with these tools to find what works best for you. If you prefer a more straightforward approach, Clipchamp provides templates. Click on Templates, head to the YouTube section, and browse through the various options available. Choose one that you like and select Add to Timeline. This allows you to start your design based on a pre-made template and edit it as you see fit. Finally, once you're satisfied with your thumbnail design, it's time to export it. Click Export and follow the prompts to save your finished thumbnail to your computer. And there you have it, a custom YouTube thumbnail ready to make your video stand out. Thanks for following along and happy creating.